My name is Darren Rhodes. I'm the Group Manufacturing Director for Harrison Spinks. To make good wire, we're looking for a consistent and high quality raw material. We use steel because it's abundant, it's resilient, it's durable, it's a perfect material for making springs. We buy all of our steel from British Steel in Scunthorpe. We have approximately 4 deliveries per week. On each truck, there's 12 coils, which is 24 tons. We take the rod, we put that onto the payoff. We then take that over a series of pulleys to crack off all the iron oxide, which is the grey scale that we see on the rod. We then need to descale that, so we take it through sanding belts, then a coating tank to coat it with a salt carrier, which makes the lubricant stick to the surface of the wire rod. We then pass that through a series of wire drawing dies, which are made of tungsten carbide, ranging from 4.65mm initially to the finished size of say 1.3mm through a series of 11 dies. At each stage we take the wire through a wire drawing die which has water passing over the surface, around a capstan or a block, and then through the next die, and then we repeat that process to the finished wire drawing diameter, which can be from 1.2 to 1.9mm. And on the small line that will be from 0.6mm to approximately 1mm. When we finish drawing the wire, we put the wire into stock. It's important that we don't use the wire immediately because the wire is still warm. So we need at least 24 hours for the wire to cool down before we make springs. Otherwise, we wouldn't have consistent springs. Once we've drawn the wire, that's not the end of the story. We obviously need to make sure that the mechanical properties meet our specifications. So we then take the wire, we'll do a tensile test to test the strength. We'll also do a torsion twist test. We measure the wire diameter and we'll also measure straightness. It has to be perfectly straight because of the speeds that we make our springs at, which are the fastest in the world.